Hello everybody, how are you guys doing today? So today we are doing something all new. These are the brand new Deco Art Fluid Art Ready to Pour acrylic paints. You do not have to do any kind of mixing with these. They are ready to go right out of the bottle. I guess the only thing you would need to do is add silicone if you want cells. It says create vibrant artwork with this ready to use highly pigmented acrylic paint for pouring. No additives needed. Specially formulated to flow easily across the surface. About approximately 6 ounces of paint covers a 12 by 12. Yeah, it does not say if it has silicone in it. And of course it does not give the ingredients. So I'm a little bit bummed about that because I don't know if this is going to produce cells or not. So, but since we're doing a tree ring pour, that doesn't really matter, but this is also a first. This 12 by 12 canvas is a brand new Artist Loft paint pouring canvas. And what is really awesome about these is it has this cardboard backing in the back. So this will not ever sag. This is how popular paint pouring is. They're starting to make products just for this. I went into Michael's the other day and I was so shocked at how everything was changed around in the store. They're getting a bunch of new paints in, but see, you can't do this with the normal canvas, but they're really thinking this is nice. And what I love about it is the edge is a little bit thicker than just a standard canvas, and it's a very blunt. I like the blunt square edges, so I'm really excited to use this. So and the other color I got is the Deco Art Fluid Art. These are $5.99, so with a coupon it was $3 for 50% off. This is Fluid Art Ready to Pour Acrylic. This is the larger size. This is an 8 fluid ounce, but this color was so gorgeous. And then this pack is $13.99 if you do it right. You get it for $7. So they do have, I hope that they come out with a little bit better color sets than what they have picked, but in my estimation, this was the nicest set. So this has blue violet, this absolutely gorgeous tropical blue, sky blue, and then a really pretty, gorgeous aquamarine is what they call this, but that's like a beautiful true Kelly green. And then this one is called Bright Violet, which is just gorgeous. So the only paint I will mix with it is what I've poured on the base to do my original puddle to pour into, and then a little bit of my mixed white Montmartre white paint. And this is the only thing that this doesn't even have silicone in it, so nothing today will have silicone. So let's get this ball rolling. I'm going to set this aside. I've got my little pins on here, right here, little to lift it up so that you can clean this, and then we're going to go ahead and do the cups. So I'm going to do white first. Oh, what color do I want to start with? Oh, I think I'm going to start with this really pretty green. And then I'm going to go to the light blue. Let's put them in order of how I'm going to do it here. Oh my gosh, the colors are truly gorgeous, and they are very thin, I have to say. think I'm gonna do, oh, now this one has a, the other ones, since they're in the set, don't come with the cover. This one has the cover. Look at how pretty that color is. It just matches my gloves perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna do double of the violet. This color is so pretty. It's just like a gorgeous hot pink. And then I'm going to do the pretty purple, blue violet, and then the tropical blue. I think I might do a little white again and then the tropical blue, but not a lot of the white. So those colors don't blend together too much. And then we're going to go back through again with the colors. Don't want to shake them up too much, but okay, now I'm going to scoot these back, get them out of the way. Plug up my white. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to just score. Something is going on with my white today. I don't know what it is, but look at the inside of the cup, how pretty that is. The inside of these tree ring forks are always so pretty. Wow, the colors on this are spectacular. So I'm going to try to keep this, I want to keep it in a circle, so I'm just going to bring it around. I guess I'm just going to go ahead and go over really quick, get that corner. Oh, I'm a little bummed that this dark purple is going to have to come off. Get that corner. Take the weight of the paint back to the center. Just over the edge and back. we're going to bring it back. I'm sorry, you guys, that you guys aren't seeing the tilt, but wow, this is pretty spectacular. The colors of this are spectacular. Again, I don't know what is going on with the white. I'm really bummed about that. I don't know what is going on with it. But I'm really loving the Deco Art paints. But I think I gotta figure out what's happening with my white, because I feel like this is ruined because of the white. Even though it's so pretty, it's still really, really pretty. I guess I could try to take off some of that white, but I don't know how well that's gonna work. I don't know if that will make it worse. But the paints, the Deco Art pouring paints are extraordinary. I have a feeling that there's a little bit too much of the glue mix in my white, and that there's not enough white, like it's too liquid. So I think I'm gonna do the exact same thing again and maybe even go over this. I do kind of like the way that it looks. Let's pop any air bubbles. I don't see many. Hello. Oh, my torch. Oops, almost took my drink over. Not a lot of air bubbles in this. Off. I'm really loving the ready to pour paints. I'm not kidding. For someone like me who does not always feel good enough to mix to pour, I feel like if this didn't have the white in it, it would have been perfection. But the white is really throwing me off. Let me rinse my hands really quick, and then I'll show you guys, take you in and show you. Tell you what, the paint does not come off the gloves as readily as my other paints do, which is kind of strange and odd. Like it's sticking to my gloves everywhere and not coming off. I mean, I love the colors I chose. I think the colors are extremely gorgeous, but what I'm not liking is what the white's doing. If you can see that. But the piece is just, let me take it up so you can see the whole thing. I'm really, oh sorry, I gotta figure out how to hold this thing. I'm really pleased with how it came out. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful piece. But I do have another one of these ready to pour canvases that I'm going to do the exact same colors in, and I'll take you on that journey with me. I hope you enjoyed, and I pray that God blesses you in this crazy, and keeps you safe in this crazy, crazy world we live in. Love you guys. Bye.